Welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video, we are going to cover how to set up your user account to only allow domain authenticated users to join your Zoom meetings. First, we're going to start by going to www.zoom.us. Once there, we're going to select Sign In. At the sign in screen, we're going to scroll down and we are going to sign in with Google. Now, there's a few more options on my screen because I'm an administrator, but for you all, you'll have a personal section with your profile settings, your meetings, webinars, recordings, and then your settings. So we're going to go to the very bottom and select Settings. Once there, under the Security section, we're going to scroll down until we find only authenticated users can join meetings. Now, for me, this setting's already configured, but for you all, that may not be so. So if it's off, go ahead and toggle that on. Once on, you'll see that under your meeting authentication options, sign in to Zoom with a RJUHSD approved account is already configured. This is pre-configured with our domains associated with our district. So once this is checked, you're ready to go, and we can start creating meetings that'll only allow district authenticated users to access. That's it for this time. Stay tuned for the next video in which we will go over how to create meetings that only allow authorized users to access. I hope this is helpful. We'll see you on the next video.